Hello dear students, in this video I'll continue with the revision on numbers quantification and numerical applications. In this video we will see some questions on races and games. So as usual we will see the question from last year's board paper and then followed by the sample questions and then other questions on this topic. The first question, we have this question from last year's board paper. In a 2-kilometer race, P can give Q a start of 200 meter and R a start of 560 meter. Then in the same race, Q can give R a start of. So here we can see that when P runs 2000 meter, Q can run 2000 minus 200 meter and R can run 2000 minus 560 meters in the same time. So in the same race, that is when Q runs 2000 meters, if we find the distance which R can run in the same time, then we can find the answer for this question. So first let us find the ratio of their speeds. In the same time, when P runs this 2000 meter, 2 kilometer is nothing but 2000 meter, then Q will run 2000 minus 200 because P can give Q a start of 200 meter. So it is 2000 is to 2000 minus 200 is to 2000 minus 560, or this is equal to 2000 is to 1800 is to 1440. So let us take, let R runs x meters when Q runs 2 kilometers. We have to find the distance by which Q can give R a start of. So here when Q runs 2 kilometers, R runs x meters. So 2 kilometer is nothing but 2000 meter. So 2000 by x. Now this ratio, this is equal to the ratio of Q is to R. That is 1800 is to 1440. 1800 by 1440. From this we can find x. From this we have 2000 into 1440 upon 1800 equal to x. So this will go 10, 9, this will go 160. So from this we get x is equal to 1600 meters. So when Q runs 2000 meters, R runs 1600 meters. So Q can give R a start of 2000 minus 1600, which is 400 meters. So the correct option is option C. Moving on, this question was given in last year's sample question paper. Two athletes Vijay and Samuel finish 100 meters race in 12 seconds and 16 seconds respectively. By how many meters does Vijay defeat Samuel? Same question we have as an example in the CBSE Handbook. So here we have two athletes who finish 100 meters race in 12 seconds and 16 seconds respectively. We have to find the distance by which Vijay defeat Samuel. So from here we can find the speed of Samuel. That is, the speed of Samuel is 100 by 16. So if we are able to find the distance which Samuel covers in these 4 seconds, then that will be the distance by which Vijay defeats Samuel. So here speed of Samuel is distance by time. It is 100 by 16. And next, distance travelled by Samuel in 4 seconds will be, distance is given by speed into time. So it is 100 by 16 into 4. So this is 25 meters. So this is the distance which Samuel travels after Vijay has completed the race. As a result, Vijay defeats Samuel by 25 meter. So this is the answer. The correct option is option C. Now we have the next question from this year's sample question paper. In a 200 meter race, Anuj can beat Param by 5 meter or 3 seconds. How much time did Anuj take to complete the race? So here if we have a question like this, that is Anuj can beat Param by 5 meter or 3 seconds. From this we can find speed of Param, and then from that we can find time taken by Param because we have the distance and the speed, and after that we can find the the time taken by Anuj to complete the race. So here speed of Param is, here we can see that he can travel 5 meters in 3 seconds. So speed of Param is 5 by 3 meters per second. And next we have time taken by Param to run 200 meter will be distance by speed. So it is 200 by 5 by 3, or it is 200 into 3 by 5, which is 120 seconds. Here we can see that Anuj beat Param by 3 seconds. The meaning is that Anuj takes a time of 120 minus 3 seconds to complete the race. So time taken by Anuj will be 120 minus 3, which is 170 seconds. So here finding the speed of Param and time taken by Param, it will carry 1 mark, and finding the time taken by Anuj carries 1 mark. So a total of 2 marks for this question. And now we will see other questions on races and games. A runs 4 times as fast as B. If A gives B a start of 60 meters, how far must the goal on the race course be so that A and B reach it at the same time? So here we can find the ratio of speed of A to B. So A is to B is 4:1, and then it is also given A gives B a start of 60 meters. We have to find the distance of the race course so that A and B reach it at the same time. So speed of A is to speed of B is given, it is 4:1. And let us assume let the goalpost be x meters from the starting point. So in the same time, when A runs x meters, B runs x minus 60 meters. So this ratio, this is equal to this ratio. This is equal to 4/1. From this we get x is equal to 4x minus 240, or 240 equal to 4x minus x, which is 3. So from this we get 240 by 3 equal to x. So this is 80. Therefore x is 80 meters. So we have taken x as where the goalpost must be from the starting point, and we got x as 80 meters. So the goalpost must be 80 meters from the starting point so that A and B reach it at the same time. Next question, A and B participate in 200-meter race. A runs at the speed of 6 km per hour. A gives B a start of 18 meter and still beats him by 6 seconds. Find the speed of B in km per hour. So here we have to first see the units. Everything is given in meters per second, but this is given in kilometer per hour, so we have to change it. And then here we will get the answer in meters per second. That also we have to change it to kilometer per hour. So here speed of A is given as 6 km per hour. So since the distance and time are given in seconds, first we have to convert this into meters per second. So 1 km per hour, it is 1000 by 3600 meters per second. So it is 5 by 18 meters per second. So this will be 6 into 5 by 18 meters per second, or it is 5 by 3 meters per second. And next we have the time taken to cover this entire distance, 200 meters by A. It will be distance by speed. So it is 200 by 5 by 3. It is 200 into 3 by 5, which is 120 seconds. Here it is given A gives B a start of 18 meters and still beats him by 6 seconds. So time taken by B will be 120 plus 6, which is 126 seconds. And then distance covered by B is, here it is given A gives B a start of 18 meters. So distance covered by B will be 200 minus 18. It is 182. So from this we can find speed of B. Speed of B is distance by time. So it is 182 by 126, which is 13 by 9. And now we have got this in meters per second. This is in meters per second. But we want to find the speed of B in kilometer per hour. So if you want to convert from kilometer per hour to meters per second, we multiply by 5 by 18. If you want to convert from meters per second to kilometer per hour, we multiply by 18 by 5. So this is 13 by 9 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So this is 26 by 5, which is 5.2 kilometer per hour. So this is speed of B. Now we have the next question. In a 500 meter race, the ratio of speed of two participants A and B is 3:4 respectively. If A has a start of 140 meters, then find the distance by which A wins. So here we are given the ratio of speed of two participants, and then it is given A has a start of 140 meter. We have to find the distance by which A wins. So here A has a start of 140 meters, means A covers a distance of 500 minus 140, which is 360 meters. And then the speed of A is to B is given as 3:4. Now if we take, let B run x meters in the same time when A runs 360 meters. Then the speed of A by B is 3/4. This is equal to 360 by x. So from this we can find x. X is equal to 360 into 4/3, which is 480 meters. So here the distance by which A wins is 500 minus 480, which is 20 meters. Therefore, A wins by 500 minus 480 equal to 20 meters. Now we have the next question. A can run 1 kilometer in 4 minutes 54 seconds and B in 5 minutes. How many meters start can A give B in a kilometer race so that the race may end in a dead heat? So here in the questions we saw previously, the ratio of their speeds were given, and then we have to find the answer for a similar question. Here they have given the distance and time. After that, from this we can find speed of A and speed of B, and then we can find the ratios, and then we can find the answer for this question. So first let us find speed of A and speed of B. So here it is given A can run 1 kilometer in 4 minutes 54 seconds. So we need everything in meters per second. So let us convert all these to the standard units. So speed of A is 1 kilometer, it is 1000 meter. Distance by time. Time is 4 minutes 54 seconds. So it is 4 into 60 seconds plus 54 seconds. So it is 240 plus 54, which is 294. So this is 1000 by 294, or it is 500 by 147. And next B runs 1 kilometer in 5 minutes. So speed of B is 1000 by 5 into 60 seconds. So this is 10 by 3. And now we have the ratio of their speeds. Speed of A is to B is 500 by 147 divided by 10 by 3. or it is 500 by 147 into 3 by 10. So it is 50:49. So speed of A is to B is 50:49. And now let us assume let B run x meters in the same time when A runs 1000 meters. So from this we have speed of A is to B as 1000 by x. This is equal to this ratio 50/49. So this will go 20 times. From this we get 20 into 49 equal to x, or 980 equal to x. Therefore, x equal to 980 meters. So, A can give B a start of 1000 minus 980 meters. 1000 minus 980 equal to 20 meters. So, this is how we have to go about for this question. Next question. In a flat race, A beats B by 15 meters and C by 29 meters. When B and C run over the course together, B wins by 15 meters. Find the length of the race course. So far we have been seeing questions where we had only two participants A and B. Now we have questions where we have three participants A, B and C. So here we have to find the length of the race course. It is given A beats B by 15 meters and C by 29 meters. Then when B and C run, we have B wins by 15 meters. So using these two information, we have to find the length of the race course. So let the length of the race course be x meters. So speed of A is to B is to C will be, when A runs x meters, B runs x minus 15 meters and C runs x minus 29 meters. So speed of A is to B is to C is x is to x minus 15 is to x minus 29. And next here we have when B and C run over the course. That is in the same time, if B runs x meters, then here it is given B wins by 15 meters. The meaning is that C runs x minus 15 meters. So from this information, speed of B is to C is x is to x minus 15. So from here we have speed of B is to C is x minus 15 is to x minus 29. This implies x minus 15 is to x minus 29 equal to x is to x minus 15. This is from 1. Or x minus 15 by x minus 29 equal to x by x minus 15. Let us cross multiply. X minus 15 to x minus 15 will be x minus 15 the whole square equal to x into x minus 29. So x minus 15 the whole square is x square minus 30x plus 15 square, 225. This is equal to x square minus 29x. So here both sides x square will get cancelled. If we bring this minus 30 to this side, we get 225 equal to 30x minus 29x, which is equal to x. Therefore, x equal to 225 meters. Therefore, length of race course is 225 meters. Moving on, in a race of 600 meter, A can beat B by 60 meter, and in a race of 500 meter, B can beat C by 50 meter. By how much meters will A beat C in a race of 400 meter? So, in a race of 600 meter, we have one ratio of their speeds. Then in a race of 500 meter, we have another ratio of their speeds. Using this, we can find the ratio of speed of A is to B, and from that we can find the answer for this question. So here speed of A is to B is, when A runs 600 meters, B runs 600 minus 60. which is 540. So this is 600 is to 540, or this when we simplify it is 10 is to 9. And next it is given in a race of 500 meter, B can beat C by 50 meters. So when B runs 500 meters, C runs 500 minus 50 meters. So this is 500 is to 450, or it is equal to 10 is to 9. Now we have to find the speed of A is to B is to C. Only then we can find the distance by which A beats C in a race of 400 meters. So here speed of A is to B is to C, we have to have this term common. So this is 10 by 9. Let us multiply and divide by 10. So it becomes 100 by 90. This is equal to 100 is to 90. This is 10 by 9. Let us multiply and divide by 9. So it is 90 by 81. So this is 90 is to 81. So here we can see the speed of A is to B is to C. It is 100 is to 90 is to 81. So this is 100 is to 90 is to 81. So from this we have speed of A is to C as 100 is to 81. And now let C run x meters when A runs 400 meters. So we have speed of A is to C as 100 by 81. This is equal to, from here we have, in the same time when A runs 400 meters, C runs x meters. So we have x is equal to 400 into 81 divided by 100. So this is 324. So when A runs 400 meters, C runs x meters. We got x as 324. So A beats B by 400 minus 324, which is 76 meters. So this is the distance by which A beats C. Next question. A and B run 1 kilometer and A wins B by 1 minute. A and C also run 1 kilometer and A wins by 375 meters. B and C run 1 kilometer and B wins by 30 seconds. Find the time taken by each to run 1 kilometer distance. So here if we take the time taken by one person as t, and then accordingly we can find the time taken by the others, and then we can solve the question. So here let A take t seconds to cover 1 kilometer, that is 1000 meter. So time taken by B to cover 1000 meter will be, here it is given, when A and B run 1 kilometer, A wins B by 1 minute. So time taken by B to cover 1 kilometer or 1000 meter will be t plus 1 minute, or it is t plus 60 seconds. And then here it is given, when B and C run 1 kilometer, B wins by 30 seconds. So the meaning is that when B takes t plus 60 seconds, C takes t plus 60 plus 30 seconds, which is t plus 90 seconds. So when A takes t seconds to cover 1 kilometer, C takes t plus 90 seconds. So A beats C by 90 seconds. Or here we have A wins C by 375 meters. So from this we can find speed of C as distance by time, 375 by 90. This will go in 15 6 times. This is 25. So it is 25 by 6. Now From this speed, we can find time taken by C to run 1000 meters. So time taken by C to run 1000 meters will be distance by speed. So it is 1000 into 6 by 25. This is 40. So it is 240 seconds. Here we have time taken by C to cover 1000 meter as t plus 90 seconds. This implies t plus 90 equal to 240 or t equal to 240 minus 90, which is 150. So we got t as 150 seconds. As a result, to run 1 kilometer, A takes 150 seconds and then B takes t plus 60. 150 plus 60, which is 210 seconds, and C takes 240 seconds. So these are the time taken by various participants to run 1 kilometer race. In a racing over a distance d at a uniform speed, A can beat B by 20 meters, B can beat C by 10 meters and A can beat C by 28 meters. Find the distance d. So similar question we have seen already. Here we have to find d with this information given. So here in the same time, if A runs d meters, here it is given A can beat B by 20 meters. So B runs d minus 20 meters. And here we have A can beat C by 28 meters. So C runs d minus 28 meters. So speed of A is to B is to C is d is to d minus 20 is to d minus 28. Let us consider speed of B and C alone. So speed of B is to C is d minus 20 is to d minus 28. And now we have another information given. B can beat C by 10 meters. So in the same time, if B runs d meters, C runs d minus 10 meters. So from the speed of B is to speed of C is d is to d minus 10. So these two are the same. 1 and 2 implies d minus 20 by d minus 28 equal to d by d minus 10. So let us cross multiply d minus 20 into d minus 10 equal to d into d minus 28. So from this we get d square minus 20d minus 10d plus 200 equal to d square minus 28. So d square and d square will go. Minus 30d plus 200 equal to minus 28d. If we take this minus 30d to the other side, we get 30d minus 28d, or 200 equal to 2d. From this we get d equal to 200 by 2, which is 100. Therefore d equal to 100 meters. Moving on, now we have some questions on games. In a game of 90 points, A can give 15 points to B and 30 points to C. How many points can B give C in a game of 100 points? So first we will find the ratio of their points. So ratio of the points is A is to B is to C is 90 is to, here A can give 15 points to B. 90 minus 15 is 2 and 30 points to C. 90 minus 30. So this is 90 is to 75 is to 60. Now we have to find how many points can B give C in a game of 100 points. So let C score X points when B scores 100 points. So from this we have ratio of B is to C as 100 is to x. So from here B is to C is 75 is to 60. This implies 75 by 60 equal to 100 by x, or x equal to 100 into 60 by 75. In 25, 100 will go 4 times, 75 will go 3 times. This is, so x is 80. So when B scores 100 points, C scores 80 points. As a result, B can give C 100 minus 80 equal to 20 points. So this is the answer. Next question, in a game A can give 15 points to B, A can give 30 points to C, and B can give 20 points to C. How many points make the game? So a similar question we have seen in a race. This is with respect to game. So first we shall find the ratio of points, taking let x points make the game. So if x points make the game, then we have A is to B is to C as, when A scores x points, it can give 15 points to B. So B is x minus 15 and A can give 30 points to C, x minus 30. And here B can give 20 points to C. So B is to C is x is to x minus 20. So from here we have B is to C as x minus 15 is to x minus 30. So the left hand side are equal, so the right hand side will be equal. From this we have x minus 15 by x minus 30 equal to x by x minus 20. Let us cross multiply. X minus 15 into x minus 20 equal to x into x minus 30, or x square minus 15x minus 20x plus 300 equal to x square minus 30x. So this is minus 15x minus 20x, which is minus 35x, which goes to the other side becomes plus 35x. So 300 equal to 35x minus 30x, or we have 300 equal to 5x. From this we have x is equal to 300 by 5, which is 60. Therefore, 60 points make the game. So these are the different types of questions from races and games. Either it can be asked for 1 mark in MCQ, or it can be asked for 2 marks in section B. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.